Here I have the new Galaxy Book5 Pro, the 14-inch version, and I have the one with 32 gigabytes of memory and 1 terabyte of storage. This one is going to replace my Galaxy Book3 Pro from 2 years ago, I think. Let's see if this one will do what I hope it will do. Cheers from Sweden and welcome to my channel. I post videos about being productive on your Samsung devices, so if you enjoy this type of content, please subscribe for more. First, some sort of quick unboxing. So, this is my new laptop from Samsung. The new Galaxy Book5 Pro. One more brick to the collection. And the usual documentation and some other things. Nice one. This is the 14-inch version. This feels really, really good. Hope we have some power. I don't know, it's pretty cold. It's just arrived in the mail, so we'll see. No juice in the laptop, so I'll guess I will just, well, charge it instead. Okay, bye for now. I've now done some installation of, well, the programs I use, like CapCut, and I use Lightroom as well, the classic version, not the mobile version. And will do a test later on in Lightroom to see, well, what happens if you have a bunch of thousands of pictures to go through. I know that CapCut will probably work just as well as it is done on my Galaxy Book 4 Edge, the Snapdragon laptop that I bought last year. There's only one problem there, and I don't know what will happen in the future, but CapCut has not been updated since I think November. So we are still on version 5, and I think I have on this one version 5.5. So, not that there are any major differences between those two versions, but, well, I like to keep my apps updated as much as possible. And with that said, we'll see what happens. I will edit this video on this laptop, of course. So, until next time, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and have a lovely day. Bye!